Hello Wildcats, this is Miss Ivy here for Monday's Marvelous Book Talk. First of all, I wanted to remind you a few things. When you come down to the library, you need to know the title of the book that you are interested in and the author. That is how I help you locate the books in the library. So if you're going to forget that information before you get here, you probably need to just jot that down on a piece of scratch paper so that when you get here, we know what you're looking for, because our books are put on the shelf by the author's name. The other thing is these book talks that I share with you, the Monday's Marvelous Book Talks, these are very popular books. So before you come down to check these out, log into Destiny Discover like we've talked about and see if that book's even checked in. And if it's not, go ahead and add it to your favorites list so that the next time you come to the library, you can look for that. Also, remember that all of the book talks that I do are located up in the front so that they're all in one area so you know where to locate those. So, on with the book talk. Today I'm sharing with you Found, and this is by Margaret Peterson Haddix. If you like mystery books, you will love this one. She is one of my favorite authors. So, in this one, it is the first one in a series, and 13-year-old Jonah is adopted, and he's always known that, and he's been okay with it. Until his friend, Chip, who is also adopted, and Jonah start receiving a series of mystery letters. They start saying things like, "You are among the missing," and the next one says, "Beware, they're coming for you." So Jonah and Chip start to wonder what's up, and they decide they're going to start investigating with Jonah's sister, Catherine. Then the three of them are instantly plunged into this adventure that nobody could ever imagine. That involves the FBI, it involves smuggling people, a plane that just appeared out of nowhere, people that are able to appear and disappear at will. And so needless to say, everyone is a little bit confused. They find themselves in the middle of this battle between two opposing forces who want two very different things for these children. So do Chip and Jonah even have a say in what happens? How can they choose when both of their alternatives are very horrifying? So to find out what happens, read Found. This is Miss Ivy coming at you from your Wayside Library.